Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hi to Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about what are the cloud service models. Okay, so there are basically three types of cloud service model: AWS, PWS, and SWS. So let's get started. There are basically three types of cloud service models. First one is AWS, which stands for Infrastructure as a Service. It provides user with the capability to provision processing, storage, and network connectivity on demand. Using the service model, the customer can develop their own application on these resources. And the second type is PWS, which stands for Platform as a Service. Here the service provider provides various services like database, queues, workflow engines, emails, etc. to the customers. The customer can then use these components for building their own application. And the third type of model is SaaS, stands for Software as a Service. Okay, and as the name itself suggests, that the third-party providers provide end-user applications to their customers with some administrative capability at the application level, such as the ability to create and manage their users. Hey guys, so what are the three types of cloud service models? AWS, PWS, and SWS. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Okay, what does infrastructure as a service does? In this model, infrastructure as a service, we provide the user with the capability to provision processing, storage, and network connectivity on demand. Using this service, the customer can develop their own application on these resources. And when it comes to platform as a service, the service provider provides various services like database, queues, workflow engines, and emails, etc. And the customer can then use these components for building their own applications. Okay. And in software as a service, as the name itself suggests, the third-party providers provide end-user application to their customers with some administrative capabilities at the application level, such as the ability to create and manage users. Okay. So, if anyone asks you what are the cloud service models, you have to just tell them there are three cloud service model: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Then please explain them with the full form: the infrastructure as a code, in which provides all the infrastructures; platform as a service, which provide the platforms such as database, queues, workflow engines, etc. And third is the service as a software as a service, okay, in which the service provider will provide the end user applications to their customers with a application level administrative capacity, okay, in which the customer with some administrative capacity at the application level, such as the ability to create or manage users. Okay guys, it's a really easy concept. That's the basic of cloud service models. This is the basic definition that you should remember. And in any of the interviews also, people frequently ask this question, that what is cloud service model, explain this. Okay guys, so it is very easy concept. You should know this concept guys. Okay, so let's meet up in the next video with a new concept, the advantages and disadvantages of cloud computing. Okay guys, so keep learning, keep growing with us. Subscribe our channel, like our videos. Let's meet up in the next video guys.